Hey, party people. Everyday carry, or EDC, is extremely personal to whoever's using it. The way you carry things, what you carry, all matters to your personal life. Where you're going, what you're wearing, what you like carrying in your pockets, what kind of work you do, all factors in to what kind of EDC fits best in your life. Throughout 2025, I've tested a ton of different products, and I wanted to show you every one of the most important, best, and most useful EDC products that I've used throughout 2025. All of these either live in my pocket, live in my sling, or live in my backpack on a daily basis in different configurations. So these are the products that I've chosen to be the ones that I've included in my EDC setup. And I want to go over them in case any of them are of interest to you or you want to add them to your EDC setups. So starting out, I have my often featured Tough Possum Med Pouch. I love the way that this is glow in the dark and reflective and has that first aid logo on the front, making it easy to spot, easy to pack into a bag if I'm traveling and TSA knows exactly what's inside. Really nice material, has these little counter pull points on either end to make the zipper easier to open and close. They have paracord zipper pulls with a little red plastic bead, making it easy to grab. And inside here, I just have my usual everyday boo-boo kit or personal med kit. So I have some human gear go tubs with a lot of different medications. I have my German nail clippers, chapstick, cough drops, nitrile gloves, an assortment of Band-Aids, dude wipes, wet ones, and a little compressible towel, as well as tweezers. So everything I would need in a personal medical kit lives in this. This goes into my travel bag. This always is carried in my backpack or my sling or messenger bag. It goes with me everywhere, and it's helped me out of a ton of jams if I have stomach issues, have a headache, need a small cut bandaged, need to trim my nails. Got all kinds of stuff in here to cover all of those different bases, and I love the way it looks and functions. Then in my pocket or sling or backpack every day is this Touchland hand sanitizer. It's a little spray hand sanitizer, great way to clean your hands in a pinch. It's liquid, and it has a really flat profile that fits easily, have a ton of different good smells that use essential oils, and it's just a really nice way to clean your hands and smell good. Then I have my Bic lighter. This goes with me everywhere in case I need to light someone's cigarette or I needed to start a fire of some sort. I always have a really easy way to start a fire, and even if it's out of fuel, you can still use the little flint here to get a spark. And Bics just work the first time every time, and they're a great little fire starter. I always have one with me or nearby. Then I have my favorite small EDC pouch. This is the Fatty Pack, and it's really great because you can just Velcro it, and it unfolds into a really small square EDC pouch. You also have a little cinch cord here if you want to put a spare house key or car key on here and roll it up inside. Makes that really easy. And then there's a Velcro closure at the top, and if you open that up, you can easily fit a flat item in here. Remember, you don't have a lot of space in this thing, so keep it pretty minimal because you know that it folds down in thirds, so only fill it up like this high or keep really flat things so that it's still easy to close. And while this larger Bic lighter won't fit, you could use a Bic Mini or another smaller lighter, bottle openers, Band-Aids, extra cash, anything like that. And then when you want to carry it around with you, just take your hat, put it around the adjustment point of your baseball cap. Boom, you could put this on a sling strap, on a purse strap. It's a really versatile, easy way to carry some emergency cash or to just have little EDC tools or extra change or anything small you might need to bring with you in a really easy to carry around EDC pouch package. Then I just have my Nanobag. This is a packable tote that's in the 19-liter size, and it fits in the palm of your hand. This goes with me absolutely everywhere. If I need to go grocery shopping, if I need to go clothing or souvenir shopping when I'm traveling, I always have an extra little bag, or if I'm camping and need something to gather tinder or forage for stuff in, you always have an extra expandable tote with you that fits into such a small package. It's super durable, super lightweight, and just a great overall product. Then I have my favorite EDC knife of all time. This is the Kershaw Misdirect, and this is a great little metal scaled, easy to use little lock blade knife. It has a little liner lock on the inside, has that nice black blade, assisted open. This is great for my everyday tasks like opening packages, cutting cordage, or just prying something open, cutting open anything that I need. Any kind of daily EDC knife tasks this is great for. Really high quality and extremely inexpensive, and I love its flat profile. It fits really well in my pocket, has a deep carry pocket clip, and this is the best inexpensive EDC knife that I own, and I bring this with me absolutely everywhere that I'm allowed to carry a blade. Then as far as my favorite EDC flashlight, that's a little bit larger size, like bigger than keychain. The Olight Arc Pro has everything I need in a small flashlight. It can be used as a headlamp with the reversible clip. It's got a deep carry pocket clip, a nice flat profile that fits easily into EDC pouches, USB-C rechargeable, and a ton of different modes that make it extremely useful. Then my favorite EDC power bank for backup power for my cell phone is this Nightcore MB Plus, 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It's got one USB-A and one USB-C port. It tells you its charge level with the little lights there, and it's super flat profile, so it fits perfectly into your pocket, and when I'm out traveling, I could throw this in a sling bag, throw it in my pocket if I'm going out for the night to the bars, to a club, to some kind of concert, and know that I have a battery backup for my phone in case I need to call an Uber or contact someone in an emergency. It's just a great little peace of mind object to have, and it's the perfect size to bring with you. Then as far as my writing tools, I have my Lochby field folio, and this is the perfect little wax canvas little notebook holder. It's got a little handle here, its zipper's closed. I have a metal ruler to use as a straight edge on the back and this little sleeve. And then on the inside, you have plenty of room for tons of notebooks, and you have these little elastic bands if you want to attach the notebooks. I could fit even more notebooks in here. There's all kind of sleeves that I'm not even using. But I have my Studio Neat Mark 1 pen, my favorite pen of all time. I have my Sharpie S-Gel backup pen. I have a regular Sharpie, a fine tip Sharpie, a Bic highlighter, my field notebook for scratch notes and like rough drafts, doodle sketches. And then when I have my final draft of my notes, it goes in this nice look term notebook where I keep all of my final draft of notes and everything that I want to be neat and tidy and that I can easily reference. And then you have another little slot on the back here. If you had documentations, additional notebooks, you could fit way more in here. I always need writing tools with me. I'm a writer at heart, and this Lochby field folio is the perfect way to carry my journal and writing tools around with me. This goes with me absolutely everywhere I go. For smaller gear, I love the Modal Infinity tool, and this is the one I wear around my wrist every day. And it's just like I have a little tiny zip tie that's reusable anywhere I need to go. If I need to use this in a figure 8 formation, I can do that. Just a little silicone band with all these holes in it, and then you have these little metal studs that you can use as hooks, or this one's kind of like a zip tie. It has a little gap in the middle. I could use this as a makeshift keychain, a water bottle holder, a money clip, but typically I just use it as a little easy to use zip tie if I need to quickly attach something. And then it just works as a wristband and it fits around my wrist, and it's always on hand if I need something like a zip tie in a pinch. Then as far as my EDC watch, I'm not the biggest watch guy and I'm always open to suggestions. I've always wanted one that's solar and analog and super minimal. So if you have any suggestions for that, please let me know. But the one I've loved using, and it's very inexpensive, I think this was like 30 or 40 bucks, is the Timex Weekender. It has really easy to replace watch bands. I got this black one to replace the original green. And it's just so minimal. I love the face of it. It has kind of that vintage, like World War I kind of look to it. And it's just the perfect watch for me. It does use a battery, so it will run out at a certain point. That's why I kind of want to switch to a solar. So if you have any solar versions that are similar to this, I would love the suggestions. But this has been a great EDC watch for me, and I have zero complaints. Then as far as the way I carry my keys, I love this OTR Carry H carabiner. This thing has 2 different sections, so it has a really nice springy lock on it. And then you can section off your keys so that things you removed often, you can keep up here, and things you want to keep on here, you can keep down there. It's really nice matte black, it's metal. This is my new favorite carabiner. I use it constantly. I've been using it for about 6 months now. Then to hang all these different attachments, I just have these Night Eyes Micro Lock S carabiners. They're locking carabiners, they're really miniature. They're black, so it fits in the profile. I have my car keys. I have my favorite keychain flashlight, my Rovyvon Aurora A8. This has a ton of different modes. It's magnetic on the clip, has a reverse carry pocket clip. You could use it as a headlamp, has different strobe effects, Has different external LEDs if you want to do like any kind of signaling. It's got UV. It's got a lot of different lumen levels. It's honestly the perfect little keychain flashlight. It's so small. It's about the size of a AA battery. And this has lived on my keychain for about 2 years now. Then I just have my key organizer. This is the Orbit Key Saffiano leather key organizer. It's a really nice one. And then on the inside, I just have all my keys as well as this little multi-tool from Orbit Key that has a bottle opener, screwdriver. It has a Phillips head screwdriver, ruler, anything you would need. I always like to have a bottle opener on my keychain. It's always the place where I might need it the most if I'm at a party and someone needs a quick bottle open. And this is just a great little tool to have on me, and it fits well into this little key organizer. So overall, my keys are perfect. I have not changed them in probably 6 months. And this is my everyday setup that I carry with me all the time. Then as far as necklaces, I love this little genuine leather necklace. It's got a little ferro rod with a little striker, so you can just pull it off, go like that, get some sparks. And it's a great emergency fire starter in case your Bic runs out, you don't have it on you, and you just need something around your neck so you know that you could always start a fire if you're in a survival situation. Maybe it's overkill, maybe it's doomsday prepper-esque. I don't care. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. And it just makes me have that peace of mind knowing I could always start a fire in a pinch. Then this is a newer item that I've been carrying around with me, but this is from Bigfoot Canvas Company, and it's a really great wax canvas sitting pad that has felt on the back. So especially now that it's winter, if I take my dog out for a walk or if I'm out for a hike or walk at a park and I want to sit down on a log and maybe there's some snow on it, maybe it's a little wet or maybe it's just cold, I have a nice little sitting mat that I can easily just lay down anywhere I go and have a place to sit. Even if I want to sit in the grass, if I want to have a picnic, even though it's winter, I probably wouldn't do that. But if I wanted to, I have the option to sit somewhere wet, hard, cold, and make sure that I have some comfort on my butt. So I absolutely love this thing. It's very small. You can fold it up, fit it into a sling bag, fit it into a backpack, or even just carry it in your back pocket all folded up. And this is a great option if you just need a place to sit and there's nowhere that's comfortable and dry and warm to sit. This works for you. Then I've gone through a ton of different wallets this year, and for the longest time, the last couple months, I've been using that Proof wallet, and I absolutely love that wallet, and that would be an easy tie or a close number 2, but I always end up back at this extra wallet. I've had this for like 5 years. It still looks great. I have a spare key on the outside and this little sleeve, but you could put cards and cash in here. If you want to get to your cards easily, you just hit that little button, pops them up in a stepped up fashion, and allows you to get easy access to your cards. This always impresses people when you press that button. I love this. Even though the Proof wallet has the little pull tab, I think the mechanized action and the fact that it's lasted and worked well for 5 years means that this is excellent craftsmanship and quality, and I absolutely love this extra wallet. Then on the inside, I have additional cards in this little sleeve here. There's like 2 or 3 sleeves over here that you could fit additional cards. I have a little elastic band to put money. And then I just have my little mini titanium EDC pen, which is the pen I bring with me everywhere I go. If you're at a restaurant and someone gives you a pen that doesn't work to fill out the check, you always have a pen on you. Or if you're filling out customs forms, you're at the bank and you need to fill out a deposit slip and you don't want to touch those dirty, nasty pens that everyone puts their hands all over. I love having a personal pen with me at all times. So this wallet is perfect for me. After 5 years, it still looks great. It doesn't look all scratched up. It looks nice. It fits my profile. It's minimal. And this is the perfect wallet for me. Then recently, I picked up the Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer, and this is the perfect back pocket organizer for me. I could wear it in the front pocket too, but I always have my cell phone in my right pocket and my wallet in my left, so there's not really room to fit this. It's a little bit bulky with all the tools I have in it. But this fits perfectly into my back pocket and I carry it with me every day. And I just have a little precision screwdriver and it keeps all the bits in the handle. You just slide that little part out. I have the Concept EDC pry tool. It has swappable scales, beautiful little titanium pry tool, works perfectly for everything I need it for. I have a foldable pair of scissors just to have a dedicated pair of scissors with me. And then I have this CountyCom spool in the back that allows me to wrap all my number 36 bank line around it, and I just use it as a little spool. I always have cordage on me. I have my Knipex Cobra pliers, the perfect pliers to use to move bolts, pull staples, pull nails, anything you would use a pair of pliers for or a wrench, this can do really well. Then I have my Victorinox Farmer X multi-tool pocket knife. This has a knife, a saw, a reamer. It's got a really nice pair of scissors too. It's just a perfect little multi-tool. And that's just a really nice little container here that I can close up. And then I have the little gingerbread man morale patch on the back. You can put whatever you want. I like this one because it's Christmas time. And this is the perfect little pocket organizer. The Pico pocket organizer fits well in my back pocket or even my front pocket, depending on my pocket configuration, and allows me to bring all the tools that I use on a near daily basis with me everywhere I go. And it's not too big, not too bulky. It's about the size of 2 cell phones stacked on top of each other, and it's really easy for me to carry around. So that's it as far as the EDC tools that I think are the best for 2025. Any of these are an excellent buy. I have them all linked below. I've also featured them in a lot of previous videos. If you want to check out my EDC playlist on my channel, watch any of the full reviews, see how I've configured it or loaded it out for travel or EDC. I have like 230 videos out there, so just check them out if you're interested. If you have any other EDC that I didn't mention that you loved in 2025 that you'd like to recommend that I try and review, please leave a comment below. Please like, comment, and subscribe in general because it helps the channel out a lot. If you want any of the gear that I've decided not to keep, I've dropped a ton of it on my eBay store. Use that link, make me an offer, and I'll definitely accept it. If you want to pick up any of my merch, like my notebooks, my hats, my hoodies, my cups, my mugs, check them out. I've designed them all. They all have either the visionswell or the Keep, Gift, Donate, Sell logos. They're perfect, great quality. There's a sling bag. Check that out if you want to pick up any of my merch. If you're doing any last minute gift shopping, or you're going to get some Christmas money or some Hanukkah money and you want to go spend that somewhere, check out my Instagram, click on the link in the bio, look at the list of discounts I have. Every affiliated brand that I've worked with thus far, you can see all their discounts listed there, and some of them are from 10 to 25% off. So use those codes if they're brands that you're interested in, and you can definitely get some money off. And you also help my channel out by giving me a little bit of that affiliate commission. So I highly appreciate it, but it also saves you some money. Thank you as always for watching. I couldn't make this channel possible without you. I've really enjoyed doing all these videos this year, and I've pumped out a ton of content. And every single one I felt good about creatively, as well as getting to review and recommend products for myself and you, see what you like, see what you recommend, and really keep minimizing my gear and optimizing my carry and the way I travel so that I have a clear head and no anxiety, and I wake up every day knowing that my bases are covered for the most part. I wish you all nothing but health and happiness in the new year. I hope the end of year is spent with a lot of friends and family and you guys have a great time. Feel free to reach out if you want to talk, if you need recommendations, if you want to recommend things to me, or if you want to partner from the business side. I'm happy to talk to everyone, and I go out of my way to respond to all of my comments within 24 hours. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.